Do you like my sword, 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 my diamond sword, sword? You cannot afford, my diamond sword, sword. Even if you could, I have a patent. No one else can make a sword exactly in this manner, manner. Welcome to my manner, manner. Kana, swing, swing, swing my sword, sword. Whenever I get bored, bored, I can swing my sword, sword. I can swing my sword, sword. Once I hit the floorboards, but I had it restored, and it was expensive, but it was a write-off. Swinging is my business, but I mean swinging swords. Living out at North, do you like my sword? That was rhetorical, you know I am the oracle. I know you like my sword, it's made of freaking diamonds. If you don't, you're lying, but that would be fine, because it is awesome, and you're probably jealous. I can bring my sword, sword, cause I am the Lord, Lord, Lord of Diamonds.
Shut up!
What? Give it.
What? Give me the sword.
No!
Give it.
No, it's mine!
No.
It's mine!
Nope, nope.
Aw,
Shut up.
I'll see you in court.
All right.